Hi guys, so I just got here in Siem Reap. It is midnight already and here's my hostel. Hi, so I'm going to give you a tour in this hostel. It's called the Funky Village. So, this is the room. There are 6 bunk beds. Let's go. So we have color orange, blue, red, green, yellow, and pink or purple. Oh, ikay ko dyan. Okay. So this is what it looks like. There are 2 beds. Ta-da! That one and that one. There we go. And go. So there are lockers under the bed, but you've got to have your own lock or padlock or whatever it is. Joke lang. Sorry. Uwi ko. Okay. Take 2. So nakaroon sa the Funky Village. Funky Village. So luckily, I'm the only one in this room. There are nobody, just me. See? Thanks, Lord. You're the best. So it has AC. The only one is working. I think they did not turn that on because it's just me, but I understand. There are 2 fans and there are lights on too. And what else? Ooh, let me see. There is a towel provided, blanket, pillow, the bed. The bed is quite good actually. It's really good. I can't complain. There are sockets on the wall, and yeah. The thing is that I'm having a hard time, yes, opening this amazing electronic door, which is not working. Hindi siya mag-work. So, tagaan ko nilang susi. Ang cute kaayo. And then, yeah. Maybe, I think this room is called Sydney. So, each room has different country names. And let me show you the toilet. Let me just get the key. Let me show you the key though. Ta-da! Look at this key. It's half key. I'm not sure where's the other half. Maybe, nasa akong forever. Let me show you the restroom or toilet. That's the toilet. There are 2, 1, 2. Now they go to the 2nd floor. Let me show you around.
Okay, so this is the hostel looks like, and this is the cheapest so far on Agoda because I always book my stuff on Agoda, and they have better reviews. And yeah, it wasn't really actually bad staying here. Everything was so amazing for me. The beds are good, the pillow, the blanket are clean, and the room is clean. And well, luckily, I am in the room which is close to the toilet and shower room, so it's not really bad. And you know what? The restroom is really clean. Well, that's it. And thank you so much if you get question down.